Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to set ringtone in iPhone. So in order to do that, what you need to do is to head over to the settings of your phone. And once you're in there, just scroll down until you reach the sounds and haptics. So let's click on that. And once we're in there, just scroll down again until you reach the sounds and vibration patterns section. And under that, you can see this ringtone right here. So let's click on that. So in here, you will see a lot of ringtones that you can choose from and also some other tones. So if you want to change your ringtone, then you can just click on any one of them. So for me, I will click this. And as you can see, it has created a sound. So if I turn back, then I can see that my ringtone has been successfully set to the specific ringtone that I've chosen earlier. However, if I want to use another tone, what I need to do is to just click on this tone store right here. And then once you're in there, it will load for a while. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it is loading. And you can see that we are now directly on the tones right here. So once it's done loading, it will present us a list of all the songs that we can buy and download. So here are the lists that we can buy and download. So in here you can see the ringtones, and in here if you click this icon right here, you'll be able to buy it. But if you click this charts right here, then you will also be able to see a lot of tones in this charts that is on the top charts. So the first top chart ringtone is this from Despicable Me, but you can also sort this by genres by clicking this and then change and choose what you want. So for me, I will choose jazz, and then this will load again, and it should be able to send me some tones that is appropriate to that genre. So for example, I want to use this tone right here, then I can just click on this right here, this blue button something, then click on set as default ringtone, and then this will load. And as you can see right here, it has opened this iTunes store wherein I need to pay for the price of that specific tune, and then I can just pay with Touch ID by just clicking or putting my fingerprint on my iPhone, and it should be able to purchase it and I should be able to use it. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.